Have you ever noticed what are the positives and negatives side of a split air conditioner and window air conditioner? Today, we'll dive into the pros and cons of both types of air conditioners, helping you understand their unique features. So, are you ready to dive into the world of air conditioning? First off, let's see the split air conditioner advantages. A split AC is quite the charmer with no decoration problems, higher cooling capacities, and a whisper quiet operation. It's like having a silent, frosty giant at your service. However, every rose has its thorns, but it has also some drawbacks. Split ACs come with a heftier price tag. They also require routine maintenance to keep them running smoothly. Plus, if you're planning a move, they're not the easiest appliances to relocate. So that's the lowdown on split ACs, a powerful and quiet option, but with a few considerations to keep in mind. Now, let's shift our focus to the window air conditioner. A window AC is a budget-friendly option that can be easily moved from place to place and requires less maintenance compared to its split counterpart. However, every rose has its thorns. Window ACs are a tad noisier, require a bit of decoration work for fitting, and unfortunately, they come in limited capacities. There you have it. A window AC might be more affordable and easier to move, but it does come with its own set of drawbacks. So, to wrap it all up, split ACs offer higher capacity and quiet operation, but at a higher cost and maintenance. Window ACs, on the other hand, are more affordable and portable, though a bit noisy and limited in capacity. Remember, the best AC for you depends on your specific needs and situation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more videos, and we'll see you in the next video.